Hey folks, Eric here at Kelly's Concept. Another episode of DIY You Can Do It repairs. Today we are working on a 2016 Infiniti Qx50. This would be the same as the ex35s, the older version of that before they went through the renaming stage. Today we are replacing the AC expansion valve. It is located inside the evaporator core. While it sounds pretty daunting, it's actually not that bad once you get a visual on what it really entails. Most Nissans are the same, Nissan Infinitis. I just didn't see one for the EX or QX50, so I went ahead and did a video on it. Just straightforward. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe and like if you'd like to see more videos of the same nature. Thank you for watching.
All right, in order to remove the AC blower and get to our expansion valve, we're gonna have to start taking this dashboard apart. So first things first is remove this panel here. Just grab right here, give it a little tug, it comes right out. Next, you want to open up your glove box and just start wiggling it up. It's just sitting on some hinges. I need both hands for this, so stand by. Just basically just wiggle it up, and it'll come out. Do it from its hinges and pull up. There's a little catch here on the side. You need to undo that catch. And then remove the glove box. Next, you'll need to remove this covering panel underneath here. Same thing, just grab it, pull it down. And just the light will pop off like this one did here. Alright, you'll see there are a bunch of screws here. Just undo all the screws. Alright, once you remove all the screws, go ahead and proceed to removing this whole panel. And then unplug these two connectors. So this is where your cabinet air filter is. So if this is all you're doing, you can just stop here, grab this, pull it out, pull your handy dandy Nissan air filter out. Next, we're going to take out the blower motor. So we're going to proceed to taking off these bolts here. Don't forget to undo the electrical plug for the blower motor. So before you go yanking off the blower motor after you remove the bolts, there is a ribbon cable and some other wires that are attached to this blower motor. Make sure you undo that before you go yanking it off so you don't break it off. So doesn't look like there's no space to remove the blower motor because you got to pull it to the side. But as you can see here, the CPU is sitting here. So we'll go ahead and take that out. CPU is held in by two 10 mils, one right here and one underneath there. Alright, so once you undo that, unplug your ribbon cable that goes to your actuators for their valves, or for your flaps, and then this is what you're pretty much left with. Blower motor's right there. So you're replacing the blower motor. That's where you would stop, replace the motor, and then reinstall. Since now we're going for the expansion valve, we'll dive in a little deeper and take this panel off right here. So there's some screws holding it in. I believe there's one up there, one back there, and some on the sides. We'll be taking all those out too. All right, so it looks like these actuator motors are in the way, so we have to remove those, this one and this one, in order to pull out this entire panel. Now they got this panel out, I can show you where all the screws are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a little pain in the butt, but once you get them out, pull that panel out. And there's your expansion valve. And if you ever have to change your evaporator core, right there. So we're going to go ahead and take that 10mm nut out, replace that expansion valve. So I got the old expansion valve out here, and new one's in. And then you just reverse everything to put it back together. Pull a vacuum, put Freon back in, and don't forget to connect your battery. Well, I hope this helps. I didn't see any videos on the EX, although all the Infinitis seem to be exactly the same. So good luck.